from enjoystarfood, and as usual, Diya's behind the camera. So the great news is, we have a new South Asian cuisine just opened, and actually soft opening. And they have a happy hour as well. Its name is Pavilion Cuisine of India. So we're going right now. So we're gonna check their happy hour, and we're gonna try some of their happy hour dishes, right? And we're gonna review with you. So let's go, guys.
Let's go.
For their happy hour, and they have a pretty good menu. What is your night hour? What is your night hour? Night happy hour?
I'm here.
Like this is from 6 to this is 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. is your day hour, right?
Yeah, and night
And 11 p.m. to close.
Yeah, our closing time is 3 p.m. 3 a.m.
Okay.
But on weekend it is 4 a.m.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, so they have a pretty good menu, and happy hour is until I think so 31st July, right? And they have a very good menu. So we're going to post this menu on online. Okay, so we got food on the table. There's a good chicken and the naan is on the way.
Yeah, it's
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, look at that.
The portion is good.
This portion is very good. So portion is very good. Look at that, guys. So one bhatura. This is called actually chola bhatura. This is kind of a Pakistani Indian dish. So this is kind of a fried bread with chickpeas, and they have some kind of pickle and sauce as well. And you know, this is the happy hour, and it's a $6.
Oh my God, $6 for all these?
Very good portion, right? I was telling you about their menu. This is their happy hour menu. So they have like the day menu is 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. You can order any of dishes here. It's a $6. And then they have a night hour that is 11 p.m. to close. So usually they close 3 a.m. in the morning, right?
Guys, it's unbelievable. Deal $6. Oh my God. And
so this is until they told me July 31st. So come in and get the benefit of that, guys. And we can I also ordered the butter chicken. And let that come on our table, and we're gonna share both review the chola bhatura and the butter chicken with you guys. So I'm gonna meet you in a bit, okay? Of chola bhatura, look at that. They have it's kind of a chickpeas curry, right? They have a thick kind of gravy, plus they have cilantro on it. Let me put some of here, right? And I'm gonna take this is the pickle, right? And I'm not sure what kind of this sauce is. So let's try. This is the bhatura, okay? This is a fried bread. You see how fluffy it is? Oh wow. And you know, it's pretty good size, right? So this is a very good size. So let's try. So you have to make a spoon with the bread, right? And then look at that, guys. So I'm gonna try. First is this dish always. So I'm gonna try without any pickle or any sauce. Like that. So I'm gonna try it and we'll see how it is. Actually, it's good.
Oh wow.
Really, you know, I went to a lot of restaurants. I never liked their chana. Chana is a little bit like not tender, like a little bit hard, but it's good. And the taste of the gravy is very good. So let's do a super bite here. I'm gonna take some of the chana, right? I'm gonna put some of the pickle. This is the onion pickle, and see, I think this is the carrot, right? I'm gonna put carrot here. And I don't know this sauce, but I'm gonna put a little bit on it. Okay. And this is gonna be a rapid bite, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3, here you go. It's good, you know, believe me, the chana bhatura is awesome. You guys come here, it's about $6, happy hour.
Happy hour and the beautiful ambience.
So we're gonna meet you with the butter chicken. This on our way, and we will review with you guys butter chicken, okay? So see you in a bit. So butter chicken is on our table. So this is the portion, man. Look at that, $6, man. Do you guys believe it? Oh man, $6. We like this is not included in the deal. Naan we order extra for ourselves, right? So this is not included in it. So only the butter chicken is $6, guys. So look at that, man. Like they put a cream on it, I think so. Then very thick gravy. Look at that. Very thick gravy, right? A big chunk of, a bunch of chunk of chicken, right? And they sprinkle I think the cilantro on it, right? So let's try, guys. I'm gonna try with the naan, okay? Okay. You know, I'm gonna try first base test. First thing is first, base test. I'm just gonna try their gravy, how it is. And then after that we're gonna try chicken, okay? Okay, let me try that. Yeah. Not sweet, salty, little bit sour, but it's tastes like butter chicken. A bunch of places I went there, but it wasn't the butter chicken. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's sour, but this is very good. So let me try their chicken. Look at that. I'm gonna take chicken, some of the gravy, you know, and there you go. Actually, you can taste the butter actually in this. It's very good, a little bit salty, but $6, but okay.
And especially the quality of food is,
The quality of
you are
food is-
saying it's good.
Quality of food is very good, and I think so. They just opened, soft opening. You guys need to come here and enjoy their happy hour, $6, a lot of meal in it. Okay. So thank you very much. I hope you love this vlog, and thank you very much for watching Enjoy Star Food. Dia and me doing very hard work. So please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And please keep sharing with your family and friends. And we'll see you in another flavorful vlog. So Dia,
Thanks for watching.
bye bye.